Hello, my name is Zahava, and today we are gonna go on La Leona tour and waterfall hike. And we have we have a pretty big group today, and I'll let you know how it is. So when you first start, you go and you see all these different trees, and you go up a little bit and down a slope to some stairs, and then we're gonna really start the tour. So right now we're just going up the little bit of a rocky trail, and then we're gonna be going down a little bit and then back up again, and we'll go to where we start walking towards the trail and then get into some water. So as soon as you come down, you get to see the river, and you can see it a little bit now, and I'm gonna get a little closer. And you can see right now we have full view of the white river, El Río Blanco. And we're gonna get a little closer, and I'm sure we're gonna get in. When you get in, you see this beautiful, almost reflective hue. And it's because of the minerals, and one of the minerals in there is aluminum. So you can see it shining, and when we get back, you'll probably see an even more blue hue because of the sun shining on the river, making it look like it's completely blue, because there's this optical illusion just because of the minerals. And there are 3 types of minerals in the water. This is the Sava tree, and this is a juvenile. This used to be a way for the indigenous to communicate, and it is beautiful and extremely long, and it's also used for medicinal purposes. Now we're headed towards the La Leona, and after the shower, that is the shower waterfall, we're going to be headed over there, and you can see this beautiful cave. And now I'm gonna start swimming. And now this rope leads you to where the waterfall is, and I'm about to go through, and I'll see you on the other side. La Leona. And now we're finished, and we're about to head back, and we're in the parking lot. And that's the end of the tour. So today